Good morning, everyone. It's Tammy, and I have a package here to open up. I believe it is from Etsy. And thank you for ordering. Hi, Tammy. Thanks for choosing my shop and supporting my business. I hope you enjoy the stickers. Jessica Lynn. And this is the J.Lynn Paper Company. How cute is that? I love it. Super cute. Aw, and there's a little bitty bumblebee. So cute. That's awesome. Those special touches really do make you feel like you made a good choice. And what did I get? What did I get? This was really quick shipping too. And oh, she's good. She opens a new shop. So go to the JLynnPaperCo.com. She still has a shop on Etsy, but she said that her prices are going to be better. And look for the sticker on the freebie sampler sheet, and then you can fill this card in for $10. So how nice is that? Come back and shop. There's a PBC sale on September 21st through 23rd. How awesome. Cute. Goodness gracious, she gives you a lot of free little samples, and there's the little bee that you can use. Oh my goodness. I love that little girl and the little football and the fall books. I mean, it's all so pretty. Okay, so I ordered the tiny size because I liked that best. But she had tiny and then I think medium and large. So there were 3 sizes of each one of these to choose from depending on what you like. And I have these little unicorns. I'm just going to show it really cute or really close so that you can see. And they do duplicate or triplicate or whatever. I mean, there's several of each on each page. It looks like there's one of each on each row. I'm looking. Yeah, because it does it in a little, and then there's a whole extra row. How cute. So let's see. Here she is in her scarf, but there's not one in her scarf here. But the tree is all here, the deer, the sleigh, the mailbox, the wreath, and then there's the wreath again. So yeah, it's great. What a cool concept. And then I got some yarn, some balls of yarn with the little knitting needles in them. And then this one, can you guys guess what this is? They are from the Gilmore Girls. Oh, how cute. Luke and Lorelai. I can't remember everybody's name. I can't remember her name. Oh, it's killing me. I'll have to go back and watch them all. I'm thinking we should anyway, Katie and I. And then I thought these were cute, the little penguin. Just all sorts of things. Him on his back with Nope is hilarious. And then here's sloths with teacups or coffee cups, whichever. Oops. Coming at ya. And can you guess who these guys are? The Golden Girls. How funny. So cute. Oh my goodness. And then here are some of these fun cats doing all sorts of fun things. So that is awesome. Go to the JLynnPaperCo.com and you can get some for yourself. They're awesome. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope that you enjoy. Bye-bye.